Morning. Afternoon, rather. Afternoon. Are we buying gold? Welcome. KG saying gold is a buy. Yeah, let's keep the comments coming as we are also liking the stream. KG saying we're buying gold. We are going to start shortly. Look, the analysis that you see here, these are the analysis for last night's stream, ne? On Top Trader SA. So, guys, can you like the stream, please? I know we've only just started. This analysis that you see here is what we had yesterday on TTSA. So we spoke about reloading gold at 3,350. We spoke about it being a psychological level where we go to the upside. Above VWAP, then we can still go to the upside. So, but we are still moving sideways, man. I don't know, guys, but I feel like today's movements are quite sideways. I'm not getting anything to bite on, but yeah, I remain bullish on gold. WTI again, this is what we had mentioned yesterday on TTSA. Break retest, look to reload at $58.46, somewhere there. Then we go to the upside. Right, this was yesterday's setup. Went nicely to the upside. We couldn't reach $60, but we are now playing below VWAP. NAS 100. Spoke about reloading here at 19,780, but we are now well above it. I don't know, guys, but I think I'm going to be bearish on NAS. I think this is what I'm anticipating. NAS 100 US30. We spoke about reloading at 40,600. Guys, if you are on the Top Trader competition, go check out the live streams that we have in the evening, guys. I mean, we called this out yesterday, that reload position at 40,638, and it did exactly that. So yeah, let's see. But I'm more of, because this move is already gone. We cannot talk about this move. It's already gone. Me and you, let's talk about getting some setups here on US30. I just have this funny headache here. I'm trying by all means to be very strong. I have a very irritating headache. German. We wanted to reload at 22,786. We couldn't get there. As you see, this thing only retraced just before our buys. We had our letter of buying at 22,780, but it went up without touching our buy zone there. But however, bearish. Guys, I'm remaining bearish on all indices. Let me know what's your take. All indices, I'm remaining bearish. Let's look at currency pairs. Remember, tonight is FOMC, right? So yeah, I think we're not gonna get much throughout the session. Tonight is FOMC. Oops. This was my setup from yesterday. Wait for trap retest. Maybe you can look for buying orders at $1.33 to the upside. I think this thing of not getting enough sleep is not good at all. It's not good at all. But yeah, hey, let's work. Ladies and gents, can we like the stream, please? I want to welcome everybody that is here. Tomorrow is streaming in the morning. 9 a.m. What are you guys looking at? It's quiet here. It's quiet here. Capital saying we are selling yesterday till 40,901. What are you guys looking at? MJ, that WTI flew so nice. Yeah, that's true, my friend. We've been looking for buys from $56.63. Reload 58,000. Guys, this market just need price, man. As long as you can get the price, forget about the risk. You have your risk reward. You can enjoy doing this business, man. So yeah, Tabang, indeed, my friend. But I think I'm going to stop taking those buy orders now. And I'll tell you why, Tabang. I'm just looking at this level. I think that we are finding a key significant area at $60 a barrel. Again, $60 is a psychological level. Maybe this is profit taking. Then that's when we can go to the downside. So I'm going to stop taking buys on WTI. The job is already done. The job is already done. What I want now during the session is NAS 100. I want US 30. I want German. And I'm not really convinced about gold, man. I'm not really convinced about gold. this for me is a side movement. We are trading between $3,397 an ounce and $3,369 an ounce. So we are ranging there. I'm not really convinced about gold. I don't know, guys. What's your take on this gold? Ray saying gold is playing too hard to get. I'm looking for some buying opportunity. I think it's because of the coming. That's my frustration, I'm frustrated about this session because of the FOMC that is coming. Guys, can we like the stream, please? What's the spread there, Capital? What's the spread on those short-term movements you normally take, my friend? Guys, today we're streaming for an hour, ne? So let's try to get as many positions as possible during this session. But let's not force them. If they are not there, they are not there. But if they are there, let's do what we have to do. Like the stream. What are you guys trading today? Choppers, you are quiet on me. You're quiet on me. Markets are quiet. Choppers are quiet. What do we do? What do you guys think of 100 gorillas? 100 human beings, 100 men against one gorilla. I'm reminded by King Kong. Thank you, my friend. I've been wanting to talk about this on the stream. So by seeing King Kong say, I love trading US oil, I'm reminded of one gorilla against 100 men. What do you guys think? Well, let's have a look at the heat map. Euro up, US dollar also up. I think that's why we are finding that consolidation between euro dollar. AUD is down, British pound is neutral, New Zealand dollar is down, Canadian dollar is neutral, Swiss franc is quite up. In fact, it's the strongest among all majors here. Japanese is weak today, Chinese yuan also weak. Can we at least get something to buy on this market? Something. It's unfortunate that we'll be streaming at Top Trader at 7 p.m. I actually wanted us to stream FOMC. My VWAP is exactly in line with my fixed range. Like what I see. What are you guys trading today? Choppers, at this point, I'm starting to think that my comment section is not working. Let me in fact check on another device. I don't think it's working. The way it's so quiet. I don't think it's working, man. I see. I need to refresh this. I knew it. I know you guys cannot be that quiet. I see. Yeah, Tabang, look, man, let's look for a place to reload, but we are done with buying WTI. We have run our race on this thing, and we did quite well. We've been buying from, let's see, as I mentioned earlier, we've been buying from $56.68, and we've been buying from $58.31 or so. So right now we are looking for sell short positions, short term, right on WTI. I see. King Kong is thinking $60.43 is a sell order for WTI. Yeah, but we have tapped that level, my friend, before. We had it as a psychological level before, but we have almost tapped that level, right? I don't see it coming back because I see a lot of traffic here. But I get you. I'm going to remain bearish. No, I'm just asking, Mr. President, will you trade FOMC tonight? Unfortunately not. I will be on Top Trader South Africa channel at 7 p.m. So it's unfortunate, man. It's unfortunate. Edgar, I'm looking at NAS 100, US 30, German 40, and WTI. I'm on the sidelines on gold. Currency pairs, I'm not trading them today. I'm gonna wait for FOMC. Funda Pro, my friend. Oh, you're talking to Capital. Yeah, Samuel, we are all waiting for that FOMC. Maybe we can get something. Zitulele, I think Zitulele is saying one gorilla versus 100 men. 100 men will win. Intelligence and tactics. Guerrilla is just power and rage. I agree. I was saying basically the same thing to someone to say, look, we just need to aim for one thing from a guerrilla. If it's a male guerrilla, we just aim for one thing. Not even one thing, two things. If it's having two things like male, we aim for that, we're done, man. Tulani said, Mr. President, I think 100 men can win the fight against the gorilla only if they work together using strategies. The gorilla is primarily throws blows but with no clear intent. Yeah, that's true. That's what I'm saying. We just aim for one thing from a gorilla, we're done. We're done. While this is focusing on fighting the man in front, King Kong, I never said. I never said that. But you get me, right? We're done, man. We're done. While this is busy watching and fighting people, utilizing fists and whatnot, one guy, man, from the back, he scores for us. That's it. That's it. All right. right, seems like Nasdaq found support at 19,700 and... Guys, I'm still bearish on these things. I'm not really... Oh, look at what happened there. Look at what happened there. No, Tabang, we do stand a chance, my friend. I don't think 100 is not a lot. 100 I think is a lot. We need 5, we just need 5 guys to destroy a gorilla. We need one scammer from our industry to confuse the gorilla, Sergio Ramos, and I'll think of the other 3. Guys, we need something from this market. I'm actually looking for a trade. Yeah, from the back, my friend. We're done. Gorilla stands no chance. I think so too, Malao. Look, I think so too, my friend. I really think so too. We will be consolidating until FOMC, man. But the ones that are trading 1 minute, they can actually benefit out of this. I think so too. I think the market is just waiting for a rate decision, man. That's why I want us to trade in the morning. Tomorrow I want us to trade in the morning, not in the afternoon. German. What do you think of Trump trying to buy Canada, man? I wish I could tell you. I wish I could know what happens in Trump's head. I so wish. I really so wish. Gold is above VWAP, so it's finding support on 10 minutes time frame at $3,384 an ounce. Let's have a look at Bitcoin, guys. We haven't looked at Bitcoin for some time now. Was it Mr. Mdu yesterday? You were saying, guys, just buy Bitcoin and you'll thank me later. Bitcoin is now at 96,000. Can we go to 100,000? Maybe we can. Let's see. But I really want one of these indices, man. I want one of them. I'm just concerned about this level here. Just this level is what I'm concerned about. What do you guys think is the best crypto exchange? I need your input on something. What do you think is the best crypto exchange? Luno, Binance, Vela? What are most of you using? I think I need to change mine. I'm sick of it. I need to change mine. Temba is saying German 40 bulls coming at 23,125. Makes sense. Malawi saying I had a dark shot during London session. The trade took long to play out, so I closed for a small profit. Look at it tanking now. That's what happens when you are trapped in a market that doesn't wanna move, man. I know, my friend. It sucks a lot. But yeah, it's just part of the game, man. It's just another day at the office. Capital is asking, are you allowed to leverage a position without risk protocols applied to initial positions at Octa, and how are the spreads? The spreads are good, man. It all depends. But looking at industry standard, the spreads are not bad. The risk is on your side. They don't control it at all, so you can. Nothing beats Binance. I don't know, man. I'm using Binance, but man, withdrawals sometimes they take time. They take time. I've been waiting for a withdrawal since yesterday. How is Luno there, Tabang? Nobile was telling me I should try Vela. Because some were saying, sure, Kasi, 5 days is a lot. 5 days is a lot. Because some crypto exchanges, man, it's 15 minutes. I wish, my friend, but I take the blessings. Panado. Is it Panando? I take the blessings, my friend. It shall happen. I take the blessings. Why you say I must not travel? Guys, a close above US 30. Aren't we coming in hard? 10 minutes time frame. Let's monitor this. Listen to Malau's question. Did you see the new SARS, the new deal SARS is having with our banks to monitor? Malau, will you tell them or you want me to tell them? Agiri, this is the same thing that a lot of people have been attacking me for. MJ, you're talking nonsense. How does SARS know? We knew about this as choppers. We knew about this information. This information, guys, before implementation of certain things, we already knew as choppers. And we are not saying this to brag, but we are saying we are a very research-driven community. I spoke about crypto exchange, that SARS is going to work with crypto exchange. I told you that they're going to work with your bank, right? A lot of people say talking nonsense. There it is. There it is. We spoke about this long time ago, around February, March. We're already talking about this thing. SARS is not going to play, man. It's coming hard. And it doesn't matter which sector you're involved in. They need money. Everyone. You are a student, you are a man living under the sea, they're coming. Are we liking the stream, guys? 53 people like the stream, 65 watching. We can actually do better. Guys, can we do lunch? Can we actually do lunch in the month of June? I've been telling you that I'm trying to get us a sponsor for the cabinet meetup, but I think why don't we just meet somewhere in a restaurant and just do lunch? If you are a chopper, let's do it, man. What's stopping you? Zboo, absolutely, my friend. Remember, what they are doing, these guys, is they are monitoring. Let me apologize to Binance. It's like they're monitoring me. I just got my withdrawal. Sorry, Binance. But don't take this long, please. We've got problems here. I'll be in Cape Town from the 28th. I'm going to spend 2 weeks in Cape Town from the 28th of May. Hit me up, my friend. We can do lunch in Cape. I'll be there. Let's do lunch. It's fine. Yes, boo. Thank you, my friend. I actually went on Binance and did an appeal because they normally give you an appeal. My withdrawal was yesterday, then they normally give you an appeal. So I made an appeal. If everything goes well, I think next month I'm not gonna be alone on the stream. Tomorrow, please remember we are streaming from 9. We want to take advantage of what's going to happen during FOMC tonight. So let's stream in the morning. London, I think we're going to have good moves for London. I think so. So let's take advantage of that. Let's say I thought you only stream in the morning only. Nope. I've been busy with articles this week, so that's why I'm streaming in the afternoon. The articles have been keeping me busy, but tomorrow we are streaming in the morning, definitely. Panando, send me a text, my friend. It's actually easy to join me. Nice one, Ray. Ray took a mini buy, finally played out. Nice one there. Kinosi, are you on the live stream? No, it's just withdrawals. Nothing much. Just I like my withdrawals via crypto. Nothing much. I don't do much peer-to-peer and stuff like that. It's just withdrawal method that I like using in most of my portfolios. Guys, don't forget we are meeting tonight 7 p.m. Top Trader SA, right? Make sure that you're there. 7 p.m. Standard South African time. So Sbu was also asking me about can SARS monitor my can SARS monitor my stuff without my consent. Once they launch an investigation, my friend, it's all chai. And you know one thing about SARS, they give you positions. I mean, they give you, I'm so used to trading that I'm talking about positions. They give you like an opportunity, right? So SARS will never come and say we are taking everything from the get-go. They will try by all means, right? They will try by all means to engage with you. They will engage with you, try to reach an agreement with you. The more you ignore them, they say it's fine, it's okay. So traders, you saw, right, that they are now working directly with banks. They monitor ATM withdrawals. They are now going as far as monitoring ATM withdrawals. How bad can things be? What's your thought on FOMC news? I think they're gonna leave it as it is. I don't think they're gonna increase or decrease the rates. I think it's gonna remain the way it is. Well, I might be wrong, but with what I've researched already, I think they're gonna leave it as it is. So I think we're gonna get the rate cuts at the end of the year. So I think maybe they can hold rates steady. Maybe later this year. Zbu is asking me, can you stream FOMC? I actually wanted to do so, but I'm going to be at Top Trader Studios that time. Remember, we are having a trading competition. Do I have somebody here or some individuals here that have entered the trading competition from for Top Trader? Mukela, I know you're one of them. Do you have others? Guys, even if you don't win that competition, I think that competition is going to help you with psychology, man. Because remember, and this is what I was saying to Ngoile yesterday, that look, you don't know what the other party is doing. So it will teach you to stick to your lane, regardless of what others are doing. Nathan is saying he's been selling all day. What have you been selling there, my friend? Kratos is saying, best pay your taxes, guys, or find out from the financial advisor how to legally evade tax. Kratos, there is a legal way to evade it or avoid it. Yeah, guys, if you still want to enter the competition, it's never late. You can enter the competition even today. There's a Top Trader SA link there for you to join. It's a Telegram bot. Guys, can we like the stream, please? Nathan is saying he's been selling gold. I think you took advantage of that 1% drop from gold. Nice try, Rodney. Nice try, my friend. Yeah, Z2, you are right. Don't evade it, just avoid it. Just avoid it. SARS is serious, man. SARS is not here to play. And like I said, it's not only for traders. You know, the thing is, when SARS is vocal like this, it normally feels like it's for traders. It's for everybody. It's for everybody. Robza, since you are telling us that you knocked off, we appreciate it, my friend. Even when you get paid, please let us know. We are one family. Trading is a lonely journey. Thanks for the stream. It's only a pleasure, my friend. Lemohang, gold is already gone, my friend. We spoke about this last night. Reload at 3,350 as a psychological level. Take it to the upside. If you are not yet in, you are most probably late. It's gone. Mukela is asking, how do you find Binance? Yeah, I think it's just that the withdrawal, man, sometimes takes long. But it's a good platform, to be honest. It's not bad. It's not bad. But the reason why I was checking if there's no other better alternatives out there. Guys, competition in business is good. Competition in business is good because it creates an opportunity for us consumers to see how we can have a preference. And every time there's competition in business, a price will always change, whether for the good or whether for the bad. But in most cases, because they're trying to be competitive, you will sometimes get good savings. If it's not pricing, it's good savings because they want to keep up, you know. Yeah. FOMC must just come already, man, and we have something going on. But remember, tonight we are streaming on TTSA channel. Don't forget, I need to leave now to go to the studio so that we can have preparations for the streaming. Man, this week is just tough for me, but it's okay. Work is work. For those of you that wants to join our private group, no payment required, no payment needed at all. You can just simply WhatsApp us on 076-350-6942, and you can simply join by opening an account with the Octa Funded. As easy as that, man. Tomorrow we are streaming at 9 a.m. The reason why is I think we're gonna get a lot of volatility during London. Since we're having the rate decisions tonight. Let me answer Zbu before I go. Mr. President, you are actually avoiding it if you withdraw your capital on Binance and keeping it on Binance. You could buy everything using crypto. Look, a lot of people have been doing that, and till today I've never seen anyone who has. Do you know anyone who have succeeded with that? And someone that makes serious money coming in is crypto exchange, because they are well aware that people keep money in the crypto exchange. If it's realized profits, they are well aware. They are actually saying, look, either way we're still gonna come for you. But I've not seen anyone that is a should I say victim. Yeah, man, when it comes to Texas, I feel like we are victims, man. Why I mean, they wanted to increase the VAT and they change and they leave it as it is, and who suffers? It's us at the end of the day. But if you know somebody that has been doing that, let me know, buddy. Maybe some mini sell on Nasdaq around 19,900, just a thought. That would be around view up. That would actually make sense. Yeah, you see, no Niza Jag is saying Binance always late with withdrawals, but it's best and safe exchange. That's so true. So that's my frustration. Like, withdrawals are always late, man. That's one thing about Binance. Withdrawals are always late. Like, every time I want to get my withdrawal, I have to put an appeal. Like, if I want to get it quicker. Cynthia's asking, how do I see FOMC? Look, man, I think what I'm expecting is the rates to be held steady. That's what I don't think there'll be a rate cut today. I highly doubt. I think we should be expecting a rate cut later this year. Tamba, who are you entering German 40 with? Your price is not yet tricked there on German. So yeah, rate cut, I think end of the year. What country is that? Is it Lesotho or Botswana? Retabil is asking, no rate card means stronger. It's being given, my friend, that whether you have a rate card or you don't, you will still find the market consolidating, or you can find a significant strength or weakness. Man, we are living in a very unpredictable market. KG say gold is now at 3,300, safe price to buy. KG, I'm gonna have to beg to differ with you there, my friend. The reason why I'm saying I'm going to beg to differ is this thing is still consolidating, man. We don't want to find ourselves trapped. And you are consolidating between 3,395 and 3,372. But you're also having this. I mean, if you look at 5 minutes, you've been playing around this level from 25 past 12 till now, playing between these two levels there. So I don't think, in my opinion, I don't think there's a setup on gold as yet. If you held it from here, yeah, maybe you can still hold it. But in my opinion, to enter a trade now on gold, especially on a lower time frame, it will not make sense at all. It will not make sense. Unless if you're trading 1 minute, yeah, maybe. Yeah, KG, I think we should wait, my friend. That's how I see it. A buy at this point on gold will not make sense at all. Because chances that if you buy it, it's still going to go back to your entry level. Then you're going to be trapped until FOMC. All right, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for tuning in. Let's meet again tonight on the TTSA channel. Then we are meeting again in the morning. Put the notification bell so that when we drop or we go live, it's going to notify you. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for your time. I'll see you in the morning, and I'll also see you in the evening tonight. Cheers, bye.